What I wish I would have known as a freshman about the library is that it is not as intimidating as it looks. It is a very nice place to come and study in a quiet environment, especially up on the 3rd floor. And the whiteboard tables are a great resource to use when you're trying to study and you're trying to cram for a test.
I wish that I knew about the individual library rooms and how effective they were, because I use those all the time and they help a lot.
It would have been really nice to know that they had Macs so that I could actually go over there and have a little bit more time to work on editing my projects.
I probably wish I would have known about the dual screen monitors a little more. I use them a lot as an accounting student. I'll pull up an assignment and then pull up the Excel spreadsheet next to it. And I just feel like that's really helpful to complete my assignments more efficiently.
One thing that I wish that I utilized more as a freshman would be the research librarians on the 1st floor. Whether it be a paper for common law all the way to history, they've been able to help me find sources, use different databases, as well as how to properly cite.
So something that I wish that I would have known about the library when I was a freshman is the amount of items we actually have behind the desk for you to check out. We have laptop chargers, phone chargers, headphones, earbuds, calculators, a bunch of random stuff, even like a bag of bones and a karaoke machine.
Early on, I wish that I knew more about the tutoring. The tutoring's been very helpful.
I wish I would have known how awesome it is to have a study space that you can come to whenever you get really frustrated with your dorm. So it's always a quiet space, especially if you go into the 3rd floor.
I wish I knew the wide extent of movies they had in the library, because they have a pretty good collection there. So if you need a movie for a Friday night, you can go to the library.